Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about the inequality of two triangles with the Hinge theorem. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing that we're going to be taking a look at today is actually the Hinge theorem, which says that if two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle, and the included angles, so the angles between these two congruent sides, are not congruent, then the longer third side is opposite to the larger included angle, right? So in this case, right, if the angle YWX, right, is higher than the angle CAB, right? So if this angle is higher, that means that this side is going to be higher than this side, right? Because if these two sides, of course, are congruent, and then these two sides are also congruent, you have to take that into account. So this side and this side are congruent, this side and this side are congruent, then you are left with the included angles, right? So the opposite side to the highest included angle is also going to be higher than the other side, right? So that is what we call the Hinge theorem. Now let's take a look at today's problem. So write an inequality describing the range of x. So in this case, we have that KE is congruent to the measurement of QR, right? And we know that FE is also congruent to SR. And we're just left with the two included angles, right? So the angles are the measurement of angle E and the measurement of angle R. And they are not congruent, right? So the measurement of angle E is higher than the measurement of angle R. So that means that the opposite side to E, which is 2x plus 3, also is higher to the opposite side of the angle R. So it's going to be higher than 15. Now that means that 2x is going to be higher than 15 minus 3. So 2x is going to be higher than 12, which leaves us with 2x being higher than 12. And we solve for x, which means that x is going to be higher than 6. And we know that for a fact because of the Hinge theorem. So guys, that is pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you do this problem again and leave a like if you find it useful. Bye guys!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!